affordable hotel in Ho Chi Minh
In
City.
Vietnam for as low as 2,800 per night. So kapag 2 packs kayo, it's 1,450 per night. Naku, sulit na sulit to promise for a 3-star hotel sa Vietnam. Pero naman yung quality, 5-star na. Modern design, malaki ang room. At walking distance pa sa mga tourist spots like Saigon.
Central Post Office,
City
Book Street, Notre Dame Cathedral Basilica of Saigon. Marami ring coffee shop at food stores sa paligid.
Meron din Michelin selected na Pho Viet restaurant. So ito na nga ang chika. This hidden gem in Ho Chi Minh na may bathtub, buffet at view.
Welcome to Aquari Hotel. You may book this at Klook or Agoda website or use my code RODIANKLOOK for 5% off or Rodian Agoda for 10% off.
Okay, let's go! Pagpasok mo pa nga lang sa lobby, maaliwalas, modern at may relaxing vibe. Inside the room, ayan, ganyan siya kaluwag, like 25 square meter, ang daming pwedeng lagyan ng luggage. Meron pang sofa sa gilid, look, may working desk, may blackout curtains, may cabinet with hangers, coffee and tea set, electric kettle, and complimentary bottled water. May flat screen TV din, sleepers, hair blower, safety deposit box, even a bathroom for that comfy hotel feel.
There's a big window with a view of Saigon River.
Let's go inside the bathroom naman. Oh yes, may bathtub, may fresh towels, may toiletries, may toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, and soap. Super clean and well stocked. At ang bonus, just outside your room, meron ding free water nasa gallon. So no need to keep buying bottles, tipid, di ba?
Silipin naman natin ang buffet
Yung
breakfast.
pagising mo ng umaga, as in, yung buffet nila, may Asian and Western options. Kaya naman sa review pa lang, ang dami na nagsabi na it's really fresh, generous, and worth waiting early. Lalo na yung faux beef. OMG talaga, I'm so surprised kasi super sarap.
What are you waiting for? Click the link and book now.